Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by fully powering down and unplugging the PSU. Wait 30 to 60 seconds to let caps bleed. Once done, ground yourself. Touch chassis or use an anti-static strap because static kills chips. Open the case, remove the side panel, and clear nearby clutter so you have room to work. Next, unplug the monitor cable and any auxiliary connectors from the GPU. Unscrew the rear bracket and depress the PCIe retention latch. You're ready to extract the card. You now withdraw the GPU carefully, grip the card by its shroud or bracket, not the PCB, and pull straight out of the slot. A firm, even motion prevents bending the board. Set the card on anti-static foam or inside its box. Next, focus on RAM. Push both retention clips down and away until they click, then lift each module vertically and steadily. Rotate through modules one at a time so you don't mix channels. Finally, visually inspect slots and contacts, and blow low pressure. You finish by reseating the side panel and reconnecting power and display cables, then power on. Observe post behavior. If you reach BIOS, your hardware is recognized. Make sure CPU cooler and cables stayed secure. If RAM or GPU do not appear, power down and reconnect components. When done, test with one stick of RAM or onboard video to isolate faults. One key troubleshooting tip, if no post, reseat components and test alternate slots or PSU connectors. Then note any.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.